y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige and today I'm bringing you some more cleaning motivation. It was highly requested that I do a evening Tidy 20 cleaning routine. So if you do not know, I created the Tidy 20 and it is probably one of my favorite cleaning routines that I do. So I wanted to make sure that I shared what I did in the evening time, and I have collaborated today with my friend Kristen Casper from the channel Kristen Casper. I absolutely love her and her content both here on YouTube and on Instagram. She has been remodeling her kitchen and I am all here for it. I absolutely love everything she's done. So if you want to check her out, I will have her link down below in the description box, both her channel and her Tidy 20 video that she's doing as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's go ahead and jump on into this cleaning. If you watch my cleaning videos in the past, especially my daytime videos, then you will definitely notice that there is a difference in the mood of the videos and in the mood of my cleaning and my energy. Of course, it's nighttime, and even though I'm a night owl, I like to take this time when I'm cleaning at night to just sort of wind down. So I wanted to make sure that this video had that same feeling. So you will notice that the music that I picked for this video is a little more chill, more laid back. I didn't want to do anything that was like too relaxing and too spa-like because I just don't think cleaning's relaxing. Give this video a thumbs up if you agree with me. I just don't find it relaxing. I don't find it therapeutic. It's just a task that I have to do and I try to make the best out of it. So normally my biggest task in the evening is cleaning up the kitchen because most of the house is already clean for the most part, with the exception of my office. You will see me go in there and just sort of give it a little tidy, but right now I'm handling the kitchen.
Easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love?
A few times a week, I like to give our kitchen sink a thorough scrubbing. So I will just go ahead and make sure the sink is really good and wet, and I will use this surface scrub and the dish soap from Mrs. Meyer's in my favorite scent, lavender. If you knew me, then you already knew that. I absolutely love their lavender scent, and I don't even like lavender, but I just love their lavender scent. It's so, so good. But I will put the dish soap all around inside the sink, and I will sprinkle that surface scrub. It's a really good abrasive cleaner without scratching my porcelain sinks. It does a really good job. If you're an oldie but a goodie, then you know those sinks used to have horrible rust stains in them, and you will see that they are like brand spanking new now because I finally found some stuff that actually worked. So while I let that sit, I will go ahead and unload and reload the dishwasher.
Loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do.
I'm not sure how many times I can just express my love for this countertop spray. It's my absolute favorite. It's from Caldrea in the Gildan Balsam Birch scent. This is a limited edition scent from the winter time, and I don't even know if Grove Collaborative still has this on their website. I keep saying that I need to go look, and I keep forgetting to do that. But this is my absolute favorite, hands down. I'm like over halfway through this bottle, and I'm a little sad about it. Of course, I need to use other things that I have, but I just really love this. I have tried it in some other scents and I love them as well. It's just a really good countertop cleaner, but this one just smells like a man or something. I don't know, a clean man. Either way, it does an amazing job, and if you ever are in the market for a countertop spray, check Caldrea. You'll notice that I use two different scrub brushes when I'm at the sink. This one in particular I just picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I like to use this one just for cleaning in the kitchen, period. So if I clean the sink or if I clean the turntable thing inside of the microwave, I will use this. But when I'm cleaning my dishes, I like to use the one that I picked up from Grove Collaborative because it has that little pump thing so you can lather it up, and because I just think it's just a little bit more sanitary to use separate brushes to do this.
Say hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before you call off the show? Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Tell me, can we meet up at your place tonight, honey? I'm coming over, yeah, you know me. I would give up anything for you. You say it, you know I'll do it, yeah. I don't believe in no. Just last week you called me your babe, and now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before you call off the show? Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and
It doesn't matter how many times I tidy up this room, it always ends up looking a hot mess at the end of the night. This is my office, and the lighting just looks a little funky town right now because it is the nighttime, and I do have some of like the warmer bulbs in here just because I do spend time in here at night, and the warmer bulbs just sort of help me, you know, get into that sleepy mode so I'm not up all the wee hours of the night, even though I kind of sort of am anyway. But this helps me a little bit because throughout the rest of the house we do have the bright daylight bulbs. So right now I'm just going to tidy up the desk space because you can tell it's a hot mess. So I'm just going to clean that up and give everything a good wipe down when I'm finished.
take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down.
You better listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can give from you. Boy, I don't need that much, How can I tell you what I want?
because I know someone will ask, where are the dogs? Gotta show you where the girls have been chilling this whole time I was cleaning. Lady claimed the living room and Rosie claimed the den. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. Make sure to check out Kristen's video, link down below. And I hope y'all have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.